Hi friends! Good morning! Well, good afternoon. So today, I'm going to SM Seaside because there is an event there going on with, I think the store is called Nail.a.holics. Yeah, I'll be going there. And I'll see you there, guys. So we are here at SM, guys, and we are looking for the Nail.a.holics. I think it's on the next floor. This is the second floor. I think it's on the third floor. So we are on our way there. It's already one. Here, oh, there. Diba? I think it's there. We close it.
No.
Why are you? Why are you like that there? Why are you making this a mirror? This is not...
Yeah, it's like a
We're
mirror.
up here now. Ay, bye. So I'm here already, guys, here at Nail.a.holics at SMC side. So let's get inside. Nail.a.holics. They're very friendly staff. So this is how it looks like here, guys. I'm here and I think I'm getting a service. I don't know what to get yet, but let's see, because usually I don't go to spas or salons to have my nails done because I do it myself, but today I'll be doing it. I'll have them do it with me today. So yeah, let's see. Get it here and I'm waiting. I think I'll be getting a foot spa and a gel nail. So I'm soaking my feet right now, guys. Wow, it feels so good. It's warm. Do you want?
I don't know.
Getting ready.
I don't know. It's kind of weird.
I really like the smell here. It smells like that lavender. Did you forget the smell that we have our candles?
It's lavender, but it's too strong.
I think they have the oil one. Oil. That's why it's strong. Yeah, but I like it. It's so soothing. Lavender. Yeah, okay, it's very fancy. What's your name, by the way?
Miss J po.
Miss Jane. Hi, Miss Jane.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah. Starting my nails and my feet. Miss, nagdugay na mo nagkuan inani sa Nail.a.holics.
3 years nakapit.
Wow, bongga di ay. Kamu duha?
Oo. Bila ka ganag kuanan umi per mga.
Oh, ayaw lang umitin. Kay madlok di ko.
Hey guys, I'm here with excuse me ma'am.
Yes, like and subscribe.
So, nagpagwapa ni guys. Pampering day.
Yes, Pampa Beauty Day.
Asa man mo nagpagwapa?
We are here at, at Nail.a.holics at SMC side.
Third floor.
Third floor. After third My nails are done, guys. This is the color that I have. I opted for a neutral since, I don't know, I'm feeling neutral today. Contrary to the nails that I always wanted like Vavaboom nails, but this time, yeah, yay! Looks so ewy.
This is my color. Yay.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you,
Excuse
kayo,
me. Thank you,
miss.
sir.
Thank you. Hi, girls!
Hello.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Mga pretty girls, there is ako on Nail.a.holics. Yay! Thank you so much. See you next time.
See you.
Thank you.
Yes, again.